At the Kenya, man. Cholo.
Lordy.
No do.
No do.
Mo sha so fun. If you not getting me, forget about it. I know by Lambo. Is that why I shout? Them day. Yeah, them day. Now they see them. Yeah.
Burna boy, they toast Sofia. Sofia can't say, he know they do. Sofia, they always they run from Burna boy. So that they always know they give Burna boy attention. Then Burna boy can't go through a friend that they call Amma. That Amma, now Sofia, very good friend. Then Amma can't they tell Sofia, say, why you don't want to go out with Burna boy? Burna boy, they spend money for women. Well. Burna boy, they, if they give women money, just open your heart to her and give an opportunity. If I drag them closer to you and you will get everything you want. Next, if you're going to say, are you sure? Anna can say yes. The next, if you're going to tell Anna, say, Amma, I've been an Amma be her name. Can tell Amma, say, okay, no problem. But the only thing where they be say, if you not say you go fit buying car, because he won't buy Lamborghini. If you not say you go fit buying Lamborghini, you go give him a chance. So now Amma can say, that one a small thing now. Just go closer to him, and you will see how Burna boy will do everything for. Because Burna boy, they buy things. They give women they really spend money for women. Now, no say if some friends won't carry you, give man. They will tell you, say that man they spend where. That man a giver. Women know what I'm talking about. That was how Sofia take believe Amma. Because Sofia normally be no one go out with Burna boy. That was how I take believe Amma. Say, okay, if Burna boy will buy in Lamborghini, just imagine you, he go out with Burna boy. He will be block Burna boy before. Man, I can't go give Burna boy another number of Sofia. I made they communicate with Sofia. Then Burna boy, I can't communicate with Sofia. They tell Sofia, say, give me a chance. Anything you want, I will do it for you. You are a very good girl. I like you to the moon and the star. Now, Sofia got and say, the only problem we I get now be say, I want buy Lamborghini. If you don't say you go buy Lamborghini for me, I will give you opportunity. Now, if Burna boy say, a Lamborghini on a small thing now, no problem, I will buy you Lamborghini. Can't say okay, oh. He never even see Lamborghini for I. He can't go nyaputu for Burna boy. When Burna boy don't nyaputu finish now, come on call safe. Burna boy not they call Sofia again. Where come make Sofia? He even promise Sofia. Say go buy Sofia wristwatch. What they call they make Sofia they talk now be say, in see. Now remember some weeks ago when Burna boy carry Cleo come. They present a wristwatch to Cleo. Okay? So now Sofia can't block Burna boy. So when Sofia can't look the video of Burna boy bringing another woman where they call Cleo, come dash and wristwatch and everything, he can't see Amma for dear. Meanwhile, before that time, Sofia they complain, they give Amma, say, look, oh, waiting Burna boy promised me. He not fulfilling promise. Instead of Amma to join Sofia to talk to Burna boy, say, Burna boy, now he talk for this lady, where this lady take go out with you. Now me put matter. Now you promise this lady, say you go buy a Lamborghini. Now you not agree buy a Lamborghini now. Why it can't be like this now? Amma not talk. Amma come to like say the matter not come concern am again, but she can't forget say, now she persuaded Sofia to nyaputu for Burna boy to get Lamborghini. You see women, you see as women they betray women. When are they listening matter? When are they listening? Oh. So when everything come open, I say Burna boy carry another woman come. Who was the next person where Sofia see with Burna boy enjoying with the new woman and everything? It was Amma. Amma where promised Sofia say make it go out with Burna. Now Burna not fulfill waiting. He promised Sofia. Instead of Amma to join Sofia to talk to Burna, Amma can't abandon Sofia, can't leave Sofia, make it day on his own. Then they can't follow Burna boy, they jolly with a new girlfriend. If now you call that thing not verse you, that it can't verse Sofia. When make Sofia can't call this in betrayal of a friend. Call the reporter and say, see what thing Amma do to me with Burna boy. See as Amma not persuade me. I be not want to do. Now Amma now encourage me or now push me, say Make I go out with Burna Boy. Say Burna Boy go do everything for me. Now, Lambogini where Burna Boy promised me, not buy. Meanwhile, Sofia at the end still went ahead to buy the Lambogini with her money, which is not the money of Burna Boy. Still went ahead to buy that same Lambogini with the money. But Amana not join Sofia to talk to Burna Boy. Then when I they paint Sofia, I said, but now you persuade me to follow this guy. As this guy come fuck up now for everything we promised me. Gifts where he promised me say he will buy for me. He not come buy for me. You will be my friend Amma. You not even join me. Instead, you there with Burna Boy. They enjoy. With Burna Boy, get a new girlfriend, new lover, and you just forget me. That was not the initial plan. That is what Sofia was trying to say. Then Sofia and I can't go meet this in friend where be betrayer, where be liar, so we record Sofia. Because this voice record the way it come out, so not be Sofia bring the voice record the come out. It's just like when you call your bestie to report a matter to her, and I can't they discuss about the matter, how the matter take play. Now so Sofia take call this very lady where display this very voice recording for us. I did very, very sure say two of them get misunderstand. You see her? And if you now listen to the voice record, you can't even they tell Sofia for that voice record, hope I might not get anything against you. If you get anything against you, definitely you go bring and come to the light. Now, Sofia can't they tell that this impresario of a friend, no, and they say, no, you not get anything about me. But the things where I tell am concerning, what do you call it? Burna Boy, that is the only thing she may have against me. But not knowing that the time where she they tell this in friend everything about her life with Burna, the misunderstanding, I tell promise on Lambogini, that one also they record. I say people should be fear friend. There is no friend though. There is no friend. A friend that can be able to record your conversation, your private conversation you have with that your friend is a bad friend. Everybody are not showing shade as Sofia. Sofia never come to the light. Sofia never come to the public to say that, oh, Burna Boy did not buy me Lambogini. No, that was not what happened. What happened was that Sofia was talking to a friend who she trusted. You understand me? Just for consolation, for that in friend to tell and say, okay, it's okay, forget about this matter. No worry. At least you are a big girl on your own. You get your own class. You are a class girl. If you not get class, Burna Boy will saying like you. So you be class babe. Forget about. After all, the Lambogini, so you still use your money to buy her. Because she bought the Lambogini at last with her money. This in friend now, I did 100% sure. Say they get misunderstanding. The conversation where they get for private, she can't go leak them out. Now, people are now shedding so that they go. So with one stand, now stands. Now you define Lambogini. No, Burna Boy, you promised. Let's say the truth in this matter. Burna Boy, you promised her what you know you cannot. That's why I love what Cubana Chief Priest wrote at that. Don't promise what you cannot fulfill. Don't promise what you cannot. Now you tell that girl say you will buy a Lambogini. Now you tell and say, make it come say anything where she wants, you will give unto her. Even though say Lambogini too big. Because the Sofia himself, ideological koro too much. Why can't you go into a relationship and build a standard relationship? Why must it be a relationship in exchange of a Lambogini? Why? Maybe that was even what scared Burna Boy from you. Burna Boy will say, this is why don't they ask Lambogini now? Maybe after now, aeroplane or private jets, now you come to ask me. I don't think I can carry this one responsibility. When make Burna Boy run away from you? Yes, it's possible. Because you never even enter. Don't they ask for Lambogini? If you can't buy a Lambogini for a first date, then we say the second date now, private jet will buy for you. That was too much to ask a man now. That will scare a man away. If I went to ask the Lambogini, says, I very, very sure say, Burna Boy will just laugh for a mess. This one, what it is saying carry. Now, God day on that day, I've been a diamond, where they never see before. I've been a Bekus, they never see a type before. Where they ask me for Lambogini, for just to do vaga. You never even see Lambogini, you give a Bekus. Burna Boy don't do Bekus finish now, enough fulfilling promise. Your friend now, where time you say, go out with Burna Boy a good person. Burna Boy will do everything for you. That one said, now even worse, that one not even can give you face again. That one said, can't even follow Burna Boy. They hype in new girlfriend, where Burna Boy, they parabolate, they showcase everywhere. Sofia, I will tell you, you are not a wife material. Okay? For you asking Burna Boy for a Lamborghini in the first date, you are not a wife material. And be careful with the friends you have around you. Both the one you caught Ama and the one that recorded you, be very careful. It is better you are alone than to be in the midst of people that don't like you. They don't like you. It is possible they are envying your growth. It is possible they are envying your growth. Because I could see through the conversation when that in friend they talk, say, you even dare more than me. Not to talk of Ama. Me even dare more than Ama. You not big, no, you not big brand. Definitely they are jealous of Sofia. Sofia, stay away from your friends. And stop asking a man for a private jet for a first date. No man they like that kind of thing. Burna Boy will have taken you important and serious in the relationship, but your logical color of asking big thing. Never Burna Boy just go once, he just run. Yes, so he just go once, he just run. Maybe that place said no, you not even enjoy as he expected. He get the can't make us when man will say one buy private jet put, where one buy Lamborghini put. Maybe he go there now, you not enjoy and you expect me can't give you Lamborghini. Are you okay? Do you know how much is for Lamborghini? But thank God you have your money to buy your own. Must you bring yourself low asking a man to buy you a car just for a first date? Get as it be. You see, as friends, they be straight friend. Now, friend, leak this in audio. Not be Burna leak am, not be Sofia leak am. Now, the friend when you go complain to. It is a friend. You know, that one even worse past Ama. Ama never leak any of my conversation now. Ama, when you say no good, even better pass when we go report to. You see, friends, be careful. That is why I don't have. I don't have it. The ones I have are matured friends. No, this kind of yama. I don't need them. I'm happy alone than having rubbish people around me. No.